Hello and welcome back to Let's Grow Up. Today in this video we will see the difference between the Vande Bharat bogie and LHB coach bogie. So let's see the topic. Step by step we will see each and everything. This is the LHB coach with the electric loco, and here you can see the Vande Bharat. So Vande Bharat is a self-propelled train, so that's why here is no extra electric loco. So firstly here is DTC, yani driver trailer coach, and MC, here is the TC, again MC. So this is the series or configuration of this train. So now we will see the bogie. Mainly the motto or the concept of this video is to difference between these two bogie. So that's why I will focus only the bogie. So in this coach we can see the motorized bogie where the motor is mounted with this bogie. So in each bogie there are two motor, 1 and 2. So in each bogie there are two motor. So two motor are mounted with this bogie. So this is the LHB coach, you can see cannot run without engine, so that's why here is a electric loco. The coaches are pulled by the loco. This is LHB coaches bogie, and the other hand here you can see the Vande Bharat bogie. The difference, firstly the difference between these two bogie, you can see here it is a motorized coach, that's why here you can see the motor the mounted with this bogie. In Vande Bharat there are two types bogie. One is motorized bogie and second is non-motor. In non-motor you cannot see the motor, this traction motor. Only MC coach, one more time, only MC coach you can see the motor, otherwise all are non-motorized bogie. Okay, so basic difference at first you can see this motor with this bogie, where the LHB coach enter all coaches you cannot see bogie because it is non-motor coach. The train is pulled by the loco, that's why here is no traction motor fitted with this bogie, only the bogie. So second, in this bogie you can see the bolster is placed on the secondary suspension. In this secondary suspension you can see the air spring suspension as well as the spring suspension system. Two types of bogies you can see, like secondary suspension with air spring or secondary suspension only spring. In Vande Bharat here is no bolster, so this bogie is totally bolsterless. And next you can see the disc is mounted with this wheel. Okay, so the brake caliper assembly is hanged with this bogie frame. Okay, this is the bogie frame and the brake caliper assembly along with the cylinder all are hanged with this or fitted with this bogie frame. In LHB coach the disc is mounted with the axle. Okay, here is the axle, so the disc is mounted with this axle and the brake caliper unit along with the brake cylinder, here is the brake cylinder is and the caliper unit are mounted with this bogie beam. This is the side frame of the bogie, both side, and the both frame are connected with this beam. Okay, so these two are beams, and here you can see the connection of the brake caliper unit. So all caliper units here, the same concept, same things for all, but in Vande Bharat the disc is mounted with the wheel and the caliper units, brake caliper units are hanged with this frame. So especially you can see this design of the bogie frame. Next we will talk about the suspension system, the both primary spring suspension system and the secondary air blow air spring suspension system with the vertical damper here, the lateral yaw damper. In LHB, the here the vertical damper is connected with the bolster and the yaw damper connected with this coach, okay, coach frame. And here you can see this is the vertical damper for the primary suspension system, and this damper is used to support this primary suspension system. Here the nested helical spring for the primary, the same as here you can see the vertical damper in LHB coach to support the primary suspension system. And inside here one single lateral damper. Lateral damper is connected with the traction center. This is the traction center assembly here, and this is the connected with this traction center and the bolster beam. You can see the detailed view, the bolster beam and the traction center. Between the bolster beam and traction center, the lateral damper is used. Next we will see the Vande Bharat. In the inside inner you can see the two dampers, two lateral damper, okay. These two lateral damper is connected with the traction center. This is the traction center unit, and here you can see this, okay, with this frame, the bogie frame. If I show you correct, the lateral damper both side used to protect the lateral force. So this is for Vande Bharat. The traction center unit, if you check this center, okay, especially traction center unit here. LHB coach, you can see the traction center. This is the bolster beam, okay, and now you can see the traction center. So this is the traction lever, and this is the rod. It connects with the bogie frame. So bogie frame connection with traction lever. Same the other side. Bogie frame, the bogie frame, and the connection traction lever. Okay, very interesting. So actually this part is connected with the coach under part. Okay, let's see the traction center connection. Here same as you have seen, I think, the connection. This is the traction center. Okay, we will see in the specially we will see exactly. So now you can see, okay, so this is the traction lever, and the traction lever is connected with the this bogie frame and the two rod. Okay, these two rod is connected with this traction lever. You can see this more accurately. So friends, these are the basic difference between two bogies. This is the Vande Bharat and here is LHB. basically the bogie frame, wheel assembly along with the disc, brake caliper unit, secondary suspension, primary suspension, traction center, bolster beam. Same as the bogie frame, primary suspension, secondary suspension, dampers, the disc, wheel mounted, brake caliper, traction center, and here the traction motor. So these are the difference. Okay, so hope this video will help you to learn about the difference between these two bogies. If you like this video, please share your comment. So I will meet another video. Till then, take care. Okay, tada, thank you.